Yo, what's up, gainers? So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I trade New York session using ICT's daily bias. So here I have prepared here some of my checklist. I used to trade. I used on how I trade New York session. So here is number one, New York kill zone time window usually at 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. New York local time. Number two, previous day candle for directional bias. Number three, if previous day high and low was taken during Asia and London session, we look for short-term reversal at New York session. If not, look for initial high and low of day formed in London open session at 15-minute time frame. Number five, we wait for New York session for liquidity sweeps. Number six, we look for confirmation entry at 1 to 5 minute time frame. Okay, so the best pair to trade is for me is always Euro USD and GBP USD. Okay, guys, so here is an example of bullish structure. Here you can see here that we have the London, for example, a London session. We have here the London movement. So I've marked here this high of day, initial high of day, and this is the initial low of day. So usually New York, what happens in New York is that we have here a liquidity sweeps, either the London, the low of day that was formed in London session, or the previous low, and then our target will be this high of day, or if there is resting previous day high, we can also target that one. Okay, so with further ado, we can go to our example. So we are looking now at a daily time frame of Euro USD. So quick recap on how we get our daily bias is here. For example, looking at this candle, we have the next candle closes below this previous daily low. So um on the next day, we are expecting that this previous day low will be taken out. But this Friday candle did not close below or did not taken out. So I'm expecting that the next candle will be uh, bullish since it did not close below this candle, previous daily candle. Okay. So now we get our daily bias. We're going now to 15-minute time frame and look for our setup. Okay, let's skip it to London session. Okay, guys, here. Let's see. So we are now at our London session. This will be our previous day high, and this is our previous day low. I know, yes. This was before Thursday candle. So I won't ignore this. I will ignore this since our bias is bullish. So our next step is mark our initial high of day. This is initial high of day. And this is our initial low of day. So as we can see in our um, bullish structure I gave to you earlier is that um, the New York session will move or take in this high of day or low of day. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, now we are now at our New York session. Okay, we have here a top in our New York low of day. So our next candle have a liquidity sweep. So we'll go now to 1 minute time frame to look for a confirmation entry. So here we can see a sweep here, and we can see a market structure shift around this area. So we'll see if it will have a pullback. Okay guys, it didn't have a pullback, so it made another market structure here. Let's see at 5 minutes. So we can see here guys that we have here our breaker or breaker block here. So we can use this as our entry. So I'll put my entry here. Stop loss just below this one. And our target will be this high of day, or we can target this previous day high. So let's see what will happen to the market. We have an entry hit. Okay guys, we have here our take profit area. So that's 4.37 risk reward ratio. Okay. So we'll go ahead and look for another example. Okay guys, so for our next example here, we can see here again at our daily time frame that um, this candle closes above this previous day high. So I'm expecting that on the next day, this candle or our daily high will be taken out. Okay, so we'll be looking for a setup. It's either here, and we can see here also this daily demand. Okay guys, we'll go now to 15 minutes time frame and look for our liquidity points at London session. This is our new previous day high. This will be our new previous day low. Let's let's fast forward to London session. Okay guys, so we are now at our London session. So let's mark again this, what do you call this? This initial low of day and our high. Okay, let's see what will happen to the market. Okay, there you go guys. We can see here that our previous daily high has been taken out before New York opens. So I'm expecting that this will be a pullback. There will be a pullback happening at the New York session. Just like I said before, that we will be looking for a short-term reversal at a New York session. So we can see here also that it has our daily demand. So we'll wait if it will touch this daily demand above. So we can see here that it touched our daily demand. So we'll go now to 1 minute time frame if we can look for a sell setup. Okay, we have here a sweep of liquidity and another sweep of liquidity here Okay, guys, we are seeing here an internal market structure shift. So we'll be using this Fibonacci if we could see an entry. So we'll be using this optimal trade entry of ICT, rounding off to 3 pips and targeting a 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio. Just like I said, it will be a short term reversal for me. So if you are aggressive enough, you can target below this one. But for me, I can target um, just 1 is to 3 risk reward ratio. Okay, this was the new scandal happened. So I did not mind this much since it is not a USD related news. So there you go. We have a TP hit. So that's how I trade New York session using ICT's daily bias. Okay, so hope you have learned something from me again today. And please don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you so much. See you on the next video.